Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a topic in biology known as eye. The eye is one of the sense organs in the body, and a sense organ is any organ that detects stimulus from the environment and transmits such stimulus to the central nervous system for interpretation. So this topic known as eye is one of the sense organs we have in the body. We're going to study eyes with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the antiseptic property of the eye is due to the presence of a chemical substance known as dash A. Lysozyme, B. Ribosome, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Lysozyme. This lysozyme is an enzyme that is found in many cells that produce secretions, and the eye cell is one of the cells in the body that produce this secretion known as lysozyme. This lysozyme digests foreign particles like bacteria to ensure that those bacteria don't harm the eye. Because of the fact that this chemical substance known as lysozyme can be found in the eye, it's now made the eye to become antiseptic naturally. The next question says, the outermost layer of the eye is called dash A. Optic nerve, B. Neural nerve, C. Sclera, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is C. Sclera. So this sclera is the outermost layer of the eye that also protects the inner layer. The next question says, the retinal cell that is sensitive to different light intensities is called dash A. Rod, B. Pupil, C. Iris, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Rod. So rod is a light sensitive cell found in the retina. The next question says, the liquid substance that fills the space between the cornea and the lens is called dash A. Aqueous humor, B. Blind spot, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Aqueous humor. Scientists have discovered that there is a liquid that fills the space between the cornea and the lens, and this liquid substance is what we call aqueous humor. The next question says, images are formed on the dash A. Iris, B. Retina, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Retina. So images are formed on the part of the eye known as retina. The next question says, which of the following transmits electrical impulses from the eye to the brain for image interpretation? A. Hepatic nerve, B. Optic nerve, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Optic nerve. So this optic nerve is a nerve that helps in transmission of electrical impulses from the eye to the brain for image interpretation. It's a nerve that ensures, or is a nerve that channels impulse movements from the eye to the brain. So when the electrical impulses are transmitted from the eye to the brain will now interpret the type of image that is there. The next question says, The ability of the eye to focus both near and distant objects on the retina is best described as dash. A. Adaptation. B. Accommodation. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Accommodation. So this accommodation is the ability of the eye to focus both near and distant objects on the retina. So once the eye has this ability, it means that an individual can see both close and distant objects without any form of stress. The next question says, which of the following vitamins helps in good functions of the eyes? A. Vitamin K. B. Vitamin A. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Vitamin A. There are different types of vitamins that are needed by the body system, and one of these vitamins is called vitamin A. Research have shown that vitamin A can be found in red oil and other sources. And what vitamin A do is that this vitamin A helps the eyes to function very effectively. So that's why the option B remains the correct answer. The next question says, a type of eye defect whereby a person can see distant objects clearly but cannot see near objects is called dash. A. Myopia. B. Hypermetropia. C. Accommodation. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Hypermetropia. So this hypermetropia is a type of eye defect whereby an individual can see distant objects clearly, but such person will find it difficult to see near objects. So another name given to this hypermetropia is long-sightedness. So in this case, or any individual that is having this or suffering from this will be seeing objects from afar but cannot see near objects. The next question says, the following are similarities between human eye and camera except dash. A. Both have converging lens. B. The retina in the eye and films in camera are sensitive to light. C. The image formed in eye and camera are real and inverted. D. Eye focal length varies, but the focal length in camera is fixed. In this question, the correct answer is D. Eye focal length varies, but the focal length in camera is fixed. So other options such as A, B, C are great similarities between human eye and camera. But one of the differences between human eye and camera is that the eye focal length varies, but the focal length in camera is fixed. So option D remains the correct answer. The next question says, the light-sensitive pigment in the rod found in the retina is called dash. A. Rhodopsin. B. Hemoglobin. C. Chlorophyll. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Rhodopsin. So this rhodopsin is the light-sensitive pigment found in the light-sensitive cell known as rod. This rod is found in the retina. The next question says, a person suffering from myopia can be made to see distant objects by wearing spectacles fitted with dash. A. Concave lenses. B. Convex lenses. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Concave lenses. If someone is suffering from myopia, it means that that individual sees nearby objects or near objects, but that person finds it difficult to see distant objects. So such individual can be given spectacles made with concave lenses, so that when that individual wear these spectacles made with concave lenses, it will now help such individual to see distant or objects. So these concave lenses are lenses used to correct myopia in people. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can watch other videos where we have treated other topics in biology.